In this video, we will make our first program. We will download Arduino IDE, we will install it, and we will see basics of Arduino IDE. So let's download Arduino IDE so that we can start writing our code. So open up your favorite web browser and in Google, search Arduino. And click on the first link, arduino.cc, and click on the software tab. And depending upon your operating system, download the Arduino IDE. Since my operating system is Windows, so I will download Windows MSI. Click on just download, and your download will start. Now our downloading is complete. Let's install the software. So open the Arduino IDE software, double click it or click on open file. So it's very straightforward to install Arduino IDE. You have to just click on next. Now our Arduino installation is complete. Search Arduino IDE and open it. So this is how our software looks first time. So this is the window in which we write our code, and you can increase the font size by pressing Ctrl plus or decrease the font size by pressing Ctrl minus. And this is the output window of the compiler. Will show various messages. So the output window of the compiler show various messages like how much space our program is taking after compilation, how much program memory, how much data memory is taken by the program. It also shows various messages like if there is error in the program, it will shows error. It will also show the status of compilation and the upload. So in bottom, you can see that it's written Arduino Uno on COM5 not selected. So we have not selected the board. So first we will select the board from here. So here you can see that it's not showing the Arduino Uno board. So I have not connected my board. So first let me connect the board Arduino Uno. So you can see now it's written Arduino Uno on COM5. So now I can select my board Arduino Uno. So always remember, before downloading the program, you have to select Arduino Uno. Otherwise your program will not download. So this is the button. From here we can compile a program. So in Arduino, a program is called a sketch. So if you click on this verify button, it will compile a sketch, and you can download the program using this upload button. So it will show the status like our upload successful. So this is the blank program which we have uploaded. So you can create a new sketch by clicking on file and clicking on the new sketch button. Here you can write a new program and you can save it. So by default, we have various examples in this Arduino IDE. So you can see them in the file examples, basics, digital. You can see there are various built-in examples. So you can see them also. So here there is serial plotter which we will use in future. You will see that it is used for plotting our data. And we have also the serial monitor, which is useful when we want to share our data between our laptop and our Arduino Uno. So you will see this in future video when we will read our sensor data. And from here you can select the baud rate of the communication. So we will see this in detail in future videos, so don't worry now. And we can install our new library by clicking on sketch, include library, click on manage library. From here we can download various library like library for a sensor, for our LCD, etc. So we will see this in detail in future videos. Before downloading program, please select your board. So select Arduino Uno. Let's download our first program. Click on file, examples, click on basics, click on blink. So this is the program which we will download. So click on the compile button, which is tick mark button, and click on the upload button. So you will see that the LED will start blinking. So in this we can also connect external LED. So take the green LED of 10mm and connect the long wire positive lead on the pin number 13 and the short wire on the ground pin. So you will see that this LED will also start blinking. So congratulations, we have created our first program. So in future video we will see this in detail, and where we will calculate resistor value. We will see different types of LED like RGB LED, NeoPixel LED, and so on. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and we will be meeting in the future video. Bye bye.